Meet the COSORI Aeroblaze indoor grill. Temperatures up to 510 degrees F. Sear and sizzle food in minutes to give you your desired doneness with chargrill marks and caramelized flavor. Virtually smoke-free. A pre-installed activated carbon filter, precise temperature presets, and splatter guard effectively reduce unwanted smoke and odors during the cooking process to keep your kitchen clean and cool. Family capacity. Cook enough food for 3 to 5 people on the large 100 square inch grill. The surface fits up to 4 steaks, 4 hamburgers, or 15 hot dogs. More than a grill. Turn your grill into an air fryer to cook meals with up to 85% less fat than traditionally deep-fried foods. Choose from 8 versatile cooking functions: crisp, air grill, roast, broil, bake, dehydrate, preheat, and keep warm. Smart control. Enjoy hands-free control by connecting to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. With the free VSync app, you can remotely monitor food and make time and temperature adjustments. No thawing time. Take foods from frozen solid to golden and crispy with a tender interior in under 25 minutes. 100 pre-programmed recipes. Discover over 100 step-by-step recipes made by COSORI chefs on the VSync app. Just choose a recipe and your indoor grill will automatically be set to the correct temperature and time. All the tools. Indoor grilling is made easy with the included smoke filter, pre-installed, cooking pot, grill grate, basket, cleaning brush, recipe book, quick reference guide, and user manual. Top reviews from the United States. Absolute best buy. They weren't joking about air fryers. And this one is controlled with my phone app. On the app I saved my recipes and also edited them to make them better than the last. Now when I need my dish, all I need to do is go to my saved recipes and all the stats are saved. You can even add instructions to each recipe too.